Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to request order modification on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to request order modification on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to request order modification on Fiverr mobile app. So today I am going to show you how to request order modification on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Now you are seeing different buttons at the bottom of the mobile. Click on paper type icon right after inbox. Now click on the order you want to modify. Now click on three dots at the top right corner. Now click on resolution center. Now you are seeing three buttons. Click on modify order. Select a reason why you want to modify and then click on continue and confirm it. Your order will be modified. There you go. If you wanted to know how to request order modification on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.